unlock freedom in 2025. Learn how to make $100, $300, and $600 a day working from anywhere. No monthly expenses. Imagine a life where you work from your phone or your laptop, creating a daily income of 100% profit, not 50%, 100% profit, guys. No overhead, no stress, just you and your community, and the freedom to spoil yourself and your loved ones. Digital Growth Community has you covered. Ready to make 2025 a year where you change everything? Let me show you how to turn your dreams into a daily reality. Drop yes in the comments and I'll show you how.